Hello there! I'm going to show you a quick tutorial for using and creating a Google Forms. Now, you may be familiar with some of the most popular tools here within Drive, such as Docs, Sheets, Forms, and many more. So, for this tutorial, we are going to use a Google form. So, let's click here, Form. So if we click, since we click the form, we will open up for this tutorial a form. Let's wait. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is our blank form, and this is from a template. You can also personalize your template. So by clicking the color palette. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is our untitled form, and we can change it for a more beautiful template by clicking this color palette. And for the review, we can also click here the eye icon and the settings. Now, today's video, I want to show you everything you need to know about creating forms. And this one is a survey form. Now, we have to make to put here a title for our form, but actually we can also make a quizzes or participants feedback and a lot more right within Google. Hello everyone, I have here helping you to get more done and enjoy less stress. Now if we select Google form, I'm going to open up a brand new form, and it's going to start working. So let's get started. Here's our untitled form, and probably the first thing that you want to do is give your form a title. So let's put here teachers survey. So this will be our title. So now below, we can see a form description. So this is also important for your participants, or although this is not a requirement, but it can be helpful to add a brief description just to let your survey participants or whoever is going to be accessing this form to know why you would like them to fill this out. Now let's type here, dear participants. Okay. This survey, let's put here our purpose. This survey is made solely for the purpose of knowing you personally. I think this will be okay. The information, this will be the assurance that the information that the participants will provide will be secured or will be privately secured, so they will not worry about their personal information that they will share to you. Okay, and Thank you for your time and consideration as you complete the questionnaire survey. Although you can put here other reasons why you're going to make this is survey. Okay. So we're going to put here my name so the participants will know where it came from. Okay. This will be our uh, title, teacher survey, and a brief description of the purpose of this survey. Now we can click here a preview. You will project here in your screen the preview of your form. Now here it is. Once the participants open it, this will be the preview on their screen. Okay. And this is a submit. Now we go back to our form. Okay. We go back to creating our form. How can I exit this? Wait. Okay. Here we go. Okay. As you can see, here is a pre-populated question, a blank form, a blank questions a blank for your question. So we can put here our question, and as you can see at the right corner of your screen, we have here the choices. If you want to add a question, just click the plus icon, and then the second one is import a question. If you have already a questions ready-made for this tutorial or for your survey, or add a this add this description or add an image, add anything you want, a picture or a video. Now for question number 1, we are going to know the participant's name. So what is your name? This will be our, wait, why? Okay. What is your name? So that we will know their name. Okay. And I want them to write in this format. Please write in this format. So this is my preference. The participants will put the response in this format. Okay. Surname, their given name, and middle initial. Okay. That is what I want them to make their our response. So since this Google know that you want them a short answer, so it is already here. You will just uh, but we have here another options for them to answer, but it instantly the Google wants you to know that you want your participants to answer in a short or brief response. So if you want to delete this, you can click delete, or if you want to duplicate your question and just edit, just click this duplicate icon. And if you want them to answer answer your questions and do not will not let them uh, go back or go on to the next question, you are going to open this or require them to answer. So you are going to drag this at the right side. So your participants will not go on answering your question unless this will be answered. Okay, so let's proceed. Just click the add question here. Okay, and instantly we have a blank form for the next question. So question number 2. I want them to answer, what is your gender? Okay. So since, again, the Google knows that you are going to ask for a multiple choice question, we have here a pre-populated answer. We have here suggestions. Okay, we just have to click add all the options that the Google suggested. Okay, but if you don't want it, you are just going to remove or click the X sign, and then here we go. And then again, if you want to require your participants to answer, just slide this require. Okay, and you can see the blue icon here. Okay, let's review again what is in our, okay, that this will be the view of our form. Okay, so as you can see, the number 1 question is a blank. Okay, the participants will provide a short answer here. So here we go, we have a blank. But in number 2 question, what is your gender? So the participants will just tickle or click the circle button here, and then they will submit. Or if you're going to edit, let's say there is an error or mistakes in your typing, you are just going to click the pencil icon here at the lower part of your screen. So let's go back again. Okay, so let's go back to our form. So you can also make as many questions as you can. Okay. But for the benefit of this tutorial, I have here the complete question. Okay. So this is 10 item questions that the participants will answer. So as you can see, at the end, this is all, this is, you can add a section if you want, but this is done already. So this ends my tutorial. See you next time for more videos. Thank you.